Dal Dhokli is a wholesome Gujarati meal and everyone likes it. At my home, Dal Dhokli is made twice a week because everyone in my family loves it a lot. So let's start making Gujarati Dal Dhokli. This Dal Dhokli, you know, is made in every Gujarati home, and every Gujarati home has its own unique recipe for it. So first, we'll put the soaked tur dal into a pressure cooker and cook it over medium heat. As the dal cooks in the pressure cooker for 4 whistles, we'll add a little more water, salt, and turmeric. Close the cooker and cook the dal until 4 whistles. While the dal is cooking, let's prepare the dough for dhokli. Now, to make the dough for dhokli, I have taken the regular wheat flour that we use for making chapatis. I have taken 1 cup of dal and 1 cup of flour. With this, you can easily make dal dhokli for about 3 to 4 people. Let's add it to the flour. We'll add the basic spices: a little Asafoetida, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Coriander-Cumin Powder, and salt. Ajwain gives a really nice flavor and taste to dhokli, so we'll add half a teaspoon of Ajwain as well, and we'll add 1 spoon of oil to the flour. Now we'll mix everything together and add a little water to make a soft dough. The dough is ready, so we'll apply a little oil and let it rest for 10 minutes. The lentils are boiled, but while we wait for the pressure cooker to open, we'll roll out the dough we prepared for the dhokli, cut it, and keep it ready. We'll take a portion of the dough about the size of a paratha, dust it with a little dry flour, and then roll it out. And the thickness should be like that of a thepla. And now we'll cut this dough into squares, diamonds, or any shape you like, and place them on a plate. We'll blend the dal once so that it becomes completely smooth. Now I'll take the dal in a big vessel, and now I'll add 2 cups of water to the dal. Because the dal used for dhokli is quite thin, now I'll add chopped tomatoes to the dal. If you eat garlic and ginger, you can add those too. And now let's add them. 1.5 teaspoons coriander powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, and a little bit of Asafoetida. Now we'll add raw peanuts and a little jaggery. Let's mix everything once, and now let the dal boil. The dal has already boiled. Now we'll keep the dal on low heat and prepare the tempering for the dal dhokli. For the tempering, take a pan. As soon as the oil is hot, we'll add 1 dried red chili, whole Fenugreek seeds, a piece of cinnamon, and 3 cloves. And now add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and cumin seeds. For color, we'll also add a little Kashmiri red chili powder, and finally, we'll add curry leaves. Now we'll pour this hot tempering over the dal dhokli. After adding the tempering, we'll cook the dal until it comes to a boil again, and then we'll add the dhokli pieces to it. The dal is coming to a boil, so now we'll add the dhokli pieces one by one. And just make sure that whenever you add the dhokli, the dal is over high heat and boiling well. After adding the dhokli, we need to keep the heat on high, and as soon as you add the dhokli, it will automatically float to the top. 10 minutes is enough for the dhokli to cook. You will see that slowly all the dhokli have come up to the surface. Just cook for 2 more minutes, and then it's done. The dhokli is ready. Let's turn off the heat, and now at the end, I squeeze the juice of 1 lemon. Serve the hot dal dhokli. Add a little cilantro on top of the dal dhokli. So, here it is, hot Gujarati Dal Dhokli is ready. In my home, we enjoy Dal Dhokli with the pla, but if you want, you can also enjoy it with rice. And if you don't want anything else, just Dal Dhokli, salad, and papad make a perfect combination, right? But you. When you get dal dhokli, it feels like you don't need anything else. You'll really enjoy it.